we see. And I'm gonna be the red carpet host. I don't know questions that I'm gonna ask. Who dressed Wambaende? Who? You better come with your best outfits, because I'll be honest. JK, I'm joking. But anyway, so is this Adonis? Anyway, so come with me to go for my last feeding, and then after that I think I'm just gonna grab coffee or maybe go home, take a nap, because guys, I feel sleepy. I slept at 4 a.m. and I had to wake up at 7, so I'm not okay. But yeah, so come with me to try on my dress and go grab coffee. I think I'm gonna do my hair. If you want boho braids, please use real human hair, because darling, you might regret. So what do you want? Guys, Joel just came here. I will. Anyway, so guys, come back and stress yeah. This is the dress. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's very beautiful. I love it. Let's try it with my makeup on, okay? Hey guys, so I just left before. She's still finishing my dress. Now I'm going to Mili. Her Majesty, oh my god. What an ugly face. I'm going to Mili and then I do my makeup. So it's actually what time is it? So it's 5. Like, I'm ready. Look at Tracy, guys. Look at Tracy. Yeah, I'm going to Mili.
Have you eaten?
I had coffee.
You had coffee?
Yeah, I don't want to eat
You
because
want
of the
salad?
dress. No, go eat, Tracy.
You're going to eat?
No, you go eat.
No, I have a salad.
And you?
You can take away.
What's that? What is
These are
that?
2.
Are there 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would love a salad.
After you take away. You're doing already. Are you still on?
She ordered me a salad and I'm so happy. So tugerera kujya gukoresha makiyaje kwa Mili, Her Majesty. Come with me, guys. Ikindi, aya marinette naguze amarinette menshi go aba bridesmaids banjye. Harimo nyine utugift nagiye nkora how to gifts nakora aba bridesmaids banjye nzabaha muri kado. I'll tell you guys where my location for my bachelorette is gonna be. Namujye kuri umukobwa ugiye gukora mariage ugomba kumera neza kwitwara nk'abakobwa batuba. Guys, tugende kwa Mili. Hey guys, so I just got here at Her Majesty. We have the most beautiful girls. Hello. So, you know, if you love me, you can buy me some stuff here. Because you know your girl is broke. We have Madina Wela doing her makeup.
Hi guys.
Mukoga ni bubu.
Our red carpet host.
Ako majya musa mukugura ibyaje muri Her Majesty. Mura turi mu bazungu, turi muri Dubai, right? Harindi nuragera ugasanga ibintu bimeze bica. Ariko ibi byose naza kubitwara by the way, because I don't have any of that anymore.
This one I got to be the job. I know get time, I did that back down. That cover my face, calling me that down. Biggie man, we do get back down.
I'm done doing my makeup. Now I'm heading to Before to try on my dress. And yeah, I'm in a hurry. I was supposed to be at the venue 5 p.m. Now it's 6 something. And I just don't know what to explain. Sherry. Tracy is not picking me up. I know she's busy, but child, I need to be at the red carpet. Tracy.
Plenty survive with people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
Guys, look where I am at the convention center, and I'm not dressed, but we have the one and only, the supermodel. You? Because we just got here and yeah, late, but we are flexing. Flex, 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 flex. Hi. Thank you. Hey. So beautiful. Ow. Sorry. Guys, this is my dress.
No, you're ready.
I'm ready.
You're supposed to be interviewing all these people, you know.
I'm down. We go?
Yeah. Okay, don't make that face. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, cutie. Like you're done.
Please, I beg.
There go.
Stay still, because
Seems like your makeup comes off.
Guys, let's go to the red carpet.
Go. She doesn't think she'll be doing anything, guy.
This one I got you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we do get bada. What's it come? You are come, all the best. The cash, ride the foot. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the best. The cash, ride the foot. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself.
My bad, bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
high
that
volume,
bad, but
high
now
volume,
a bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches screech.
Overflowing with joy that you guys get to experience a way to find how your voice really wants to sing and speak. And that's just so important, so beautiful. So much love from me to you. Hi guys, it's Willow, and I'm just
a familiar face there. Of course, Sherry Silver has called.
look at the ones that
So I can see this side depends purely on men. Wow, guys. Masaba, I didn't even hear your voice. Runtown is just, you don't know the song. Okay, this side, let's go. Alright, let's try one more this side. This team is winning.
Guys, I'm only seeing the serious people. So the Sherry Silver Gala dinner is done, and me and Mueto, we are going where? We're going to a birthday. To a birthday, our friend's birthday.
I can't come and see myself. So anything I do, I try to take me to my way. Plenty see plenty suffer with me face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy.